Installed it. I installed it again. Woo! Sorry, gearhead. Oh, this car can be dangerous for me. I think you awakened a beast.
Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we are surrounded by Fox bodies here. We've got Peaches, we got Tar Heel Fox. We haven't come up for a name with the 85 yet. But in case you missed that video, that one went up just before this one, but we're filming this the same day. So what's going on here is we're getting back to FMR. We've got Jenn and Matt over there, co-owners Fox Mustang Restoration. Jenn is gonna be driving Tar Heel. She's driving, yeah, see, she's excited. I'm slightly nervous, but mainly excited to share how she's gonna do it. But I'm not riding the car with her. I'm gonna ride with Matt because I might freak out if I rode with her. But she's probably a great driver. I freak out when anybody drives this car. It's not just you, Jenn. I freak out when anybody drives the car. So, but it's cold out here, guys. So enough of that. I gotta let her get in the car. Also, it needs a heater core. So she might be chattering her teeth in there, but she won't notice because she'll be pressing on the gas. So anyway, she's gonna get in the car, drive over there. Got a couple other things we're gonna do to Tar Heel as well. It needs like a heater core, so we're gonna do the bypass. Get windy out here. Let's let her get in the car.
Is this electric?
Nope. Okay, so this is the best part. Look how far you are away from the pedal. There you go.
There it is.
And the wheel will tilt actually. Yeah. And yeah, make sure the clutch can go all the way down. You might have to move it forward. Yeah, move it a little bit forward.
Need a phone book.
Move what a little bit forward?
The seat?
That's as far as.
Oh, really? Oh. It's all the way up. All right, what about the back here?
Oh.
Yeah, it kind of probably needs some help. It doesn't always catch right away. Found something else you guys can fix. This is hilarious.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah.
All right, cool.
Hopefully I can reach these pedals. Hopefully I can reach these pedals. I guess. Oh, I really can't reach these pedals.
Yeah. I have to bleed that, but it sounds pretty good.
Oh. E-brake. Oh, I don't even know if I can get it. I can't. I need help. I can't get the e-brake down.
That's a little bit of
Yeah, it's a big old.
I don't even know if I can do
Okay,
it
good.
left-handed.
I'm glad that you also
There
have.
we go.
Okay.
I'm right-handed, I can usually get it, but there you go.
Okay.
It's a
Okay. Installed it. Never driven a 6-speed before, so this should be entertaining. Also can barely reach the pedals. Learned I have to put the brake in to reverse it. So I just did that. Now I'm just waiting for them to get out of my way. Okay. I installed it again. Maybe I should just roll down the hill. Okay, that worked out well. And now let's start it again. And we're off. Oh man, I just want to take off. All right, I finally broke 30. Oh, I lost it. Can't wait to get out on a road that I can really hit it. Oh, I might hit this bicycle. Gearhead told me to tell him everything that needed to be changed in this car, or like what he needs. I just put the sun visor down and it's like really wrinkled on the underside. And it looks like, okay, so it still has the mirror in there, but it's probably use new ones. And the seatbelt sleeve was missing, which is pretty common, especially in cars that are blue or tan, sand beige, because they don't make, none of the manufacturers make the sleeves in those colors. You have to make this difficult choice of if you're going to put a different color than your interior for your seatbelt sleeves. We're here at the QT. Hopefully this will go back to where it was, and I just won't touch
That's
it.
perfect because I need gas too. So,
Okay.
how is it so far?
Yeah,
It's good.
great, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I stalled it before we got out of the
Well,
driveway.
in fairness, I mean,
but-
I've stalled this before too, so no big
Well,
deal.
I mean, it's just getting used to.
Yeah,
Every
every-
touch is different.
exactly.
And so it's just getting used to this one. But then once I was on the road, kind of want a 5-speed.
Damn, oh, roll the window down so Matt can hear you. Tell her what you just said.
I need a 5-speed.
Yes, she needs a 5-speed. Peaches, here you come. 355s and a 5-speed.
He also needs a heater core because here we are in January and there's no heater and it's kind of cold.
I need some gas, so might as well while we're here. And of course, what are we getting? What are we getting? Gotta be 93, baby. Gotta be 93.
Uh-oh. Maybe Maybe I shouldn't have put this.
I'm just making sure the camera's still
Did
on.
I,
Yep.
is there a trick to this?
Oh, yeah. There is. It's broken right here.
Okay.
That's out of the way now, right?
Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna touch it again.
Just more stuff that you guys need to fix.
I know,
I need one of these.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Actually,
We have those too. All right, he said I could open it up, so. Here we go. Oops, over rev. It did not like that. Or maybe it did, it was just about to take off. I just got a peace sign from another Mustang driver. It wasn't a Fox, but whatever. I'll take what I can get. I doubt we're gonna see a Fox on the road today. All right, I'm gonna try to pass him here once I get the line. Beast has been awakened.
A beast has been awakened. Nice. You sounds like you had fun.
Oh my God, so fun.
It was awesome seeing you fly by. It sounded so good.
Oh, it felt so good.
All right, Matt. I think Peaches is getting a 5-speed swap. I don't know.
Not Peaches, but something.
Something. All right.
I need some kind
A
of
5-speed in your life. Well, you could be that 85. It could be Jet. Who knows?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm glad you enjoyed the drive.
Yes, I did. Thanks for
And it made it. Yeah. No. Now I finally have some good flybys, guys. We have some good roller shots. So thanks a lot for that, Jen. Okay, I think Jen enjoyed her ride in Tar Heel Fox a lot. That was kind of cool to let her do that. But the real reason it's here today, guys, is I was doing a daily driver vlog on the car. I told you guys I was gonna do that, drive it every day. I haven't been driving every day recently. I have a lot of footage on that, the daily driving it, but ran into a problem. Wouldn't you know it? Heater core went out on me. Check this out, guys. You can see right there where the window's fogging up. The leak is pretty bad. I don't know if we're gonna see any under here. The other night, I definitely saw some leaking under there. And you can smell it. You can smell it pretty bad. I'm gonna try and see if I can show you inside as well. There we go. Yeah, it is all fogged up, all that stuff. It was coming through the vents, and I actually pointed that out one time on one of my daily driver vlogs, which again, that video hasn't gone up, but you could see kind of the, I guess the steam. It's not steam, but you could see basically smoke coming out of here, which is the heater core. I guess where there's smoke, there's fire, so it wasn't smoke if it was steam, but it was the coolant basically coming out in a gas form. So this whole side, this is all like, you can't even see anymore. It's all fogged up. So yeah, what have I got to do? Well, I've got to replace the heater core. The sad thing is I paid a shop in 2012 to replace it. Since then, what is that? About 9 years now? Since then, it's probably only had like 10,000 miles on it during that time as well. And I guess they replaced it wrong. That shop is out of business a long time ago. Same shop that did my original stroker motor. But what I'm gonna do tonight, just to get by, stop having this leak so bad, is I'm gonna go ahead and do a bypass. We're gonna bypass the heater core. So I've got to take these two off. The system is cooled down. So I've got to, basically take these two off that go into my heater core And I'm going to use this double nipple here, and I'm just gonna put one into the other. So the bigger one will be for the bigger side, the smaller one for the smaller side. Use hose clamps. My hose clamps are pretty new. You know, we just swapped the engine out, just put this engine in. So for now, I'm gonna bypass it. Hopefully no more leaking, so that should take care of it. So let me do that real quick. That's all you need to bypass though. I got this at O'Reilly's for like $6, and that's because I also went ahead and got some new hose clamps, which really I didn't need because I already had brand new hose clamps. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna try to do it myself first. I've had some back issues, as you guys might know, and it's doing a lot better. So I'm gonna try. If it starts to hurt too much, Matt's gonna jump in here and help me out. But yeah, let's see what happens. There you go, guys. There is your heater core bypass. Pretty easy to do, really. Matt, I had one problem getting this hose off. You might have saw Matt came by. He gave me a pick, basically. I was looking for it right here. It's gone. But I got a pick in there to basically get it out of the heater core. And yeah, so this is good to go. Just that nipple. The bigger side went on that side, the smaller side went on that side, and we're good to go. Temporarily, at least, I shouldn't have that issue anymore. You might be asking why I didn't just go ahead and replace the heater core. Well, as you know, we've done that on the channel before, and it is a bit of a project, and I just didn't have time right now. I got to do a lot of other stuff right now, and so that's why I didn't do it. Also, you may have seen, even doing that tweaked my back a little bit. So, you know, I got 2 weeks now in for the chiropractor. I should be getting a lot better, and I'm starting to feel better. Doing just that little bit hurt some, but it's all right. It's all good. So one more thing, we are gonna get Jenn's last thoughts here on driving Tar Heel Fox. All right, we got Jenn out here, and Jenn, you're standing by the car like you enjoyed it. I know you enjoyed it. We all know you enjoyed it. But this is my baby. I'm a Carolina fan. In case you guys don't know, that's what the deal is. So you said one thing really cool to me though.
I think what I told you when you got out of the van was that I think you awakened a beast in me.
Yeah.
I didn't realize just how much I missed driving a manual. So, and this was my first 6-speed. I've never driven a 6-speed.
There you go.
So that was really cool.
How long has it been since you've driven a manual?
No, I mean, but I've never driven a 6-speed in my whole life.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Never, yeah.
Well, now you have. Did you get it in the 6th gear? I haven't watched the video yet.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
It kept wanting to go into 4th.
Oh, really?
Kind of okay with me.
Okay. I thought I saw one time it perhaps went into 4th going by the van.
Yeah, that
happened. And you know it's not a stock Fox body, so could you tell that in the difference between driving in this? Does it feel a little more power, or feel like it had any more gusto?
I don't know.
No?
I feel like I feel like I'm not sure because the sound of the exhaust
makes it sound like you're going fast.
It sounds mean.
Yeah,
right?
but it could actually be going slow and just loud. Fair.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Speaking of exhaust, I know you love Flowmasters, so Cheap Peaches has them. This car has them.
Yeah, but these are much louder than Peaches.
Yeah.
And for a daily driver, this is not. I probably
too loud.
wouldn't choose something this loud
okay.
for myself. Yeah.
For a once in a while driver, though.
Yeah, I mean
cool.
it is fun. It does make it seem beefier or meaner or faster. I don't know. You know, it's just
annoying on a daily basis.
Makes it more fun, right?
Yeah.
So if you're just normally have someone with you and you're trying to talk to them or listen to the radio or listen to
Yeah. The radio and talking to somebody doesn't work too well in that car.
I mean, but you know, it's the same thing with like wearing high heels. Like they're uncomfortable, but I'm still gonna do it.
I love that's a great comparison. Tar Heel Fox is like wearing high heels. I love it.
Yeah. So it's like sometimes you want to get like dressed up.
Yeah. This is my dressed up car.
Yeah. So you know, you want something that's fun, that's not necessarily practical, but that doesn't mean it's not worth it. But yeah, I mean, it was really fun, and it was a gorgeous day out, and I wish that it had been warmer.
Drop the top.
Yeah, drop the top. Yeah, so, but it was super fun. Thank you so much. I really loved it. It was definitely a thrill ride. So
cool.
You know,
and
passing you guys like on the road and stuff, that was super fun.
Well, we were towing a car, but yeah, Matt was funny. At one point, at one point, Matt had it down to the floor in the van, and you were like way up there. He's like, "I'm trying to catch her." You know, van's a little slow, but that's awesome. And we've awakened a beast.
Yeah. I definitely need a 5-speed.
All right, we got to find Matt again. Matt, she needs her 5-speed in her life.
Okay, but I'm not saying it has to be Peaches, so
that's true.
We have lots of options here.
You do actually. That had a 5-speed. That had a 5-speed. There's a couple.
Everything else.
Everything but Peaches, right?
Yeah, the only reason we kept Peach's automatic was because she's an SSP and that's how she came.
Yeah.
And so,
Yeah.
you know, like she also came with blue interior, which I personally would not have chosen, but she picked me. I didn't pick her. So
Yeah.
that's what you do. You just stick with that.
They kind of pick you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this one, I'm still with it, and it cost me a lot of money. So it definitely picked me.
Yeah, and it still makes you smile. Like, you don't even hate it. You're just like, eh.
Yep. Yep. Awesome. Okay, cool. Well, thanks for driving it. And I really hope not only do you get that 5-speed, but maybe one day, maybe you'll get a 6-speed in the Foxbody like me.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know that I need that. But,
Probably not.
But I have to tell you guys something that I enjoyed was that Gearhead was totally geeking out about watching his own car go by. So like that's
true.
That's fun. It's true. It's a perspective that you don't normally get of your own car to see it like go by. And I definitely have the same thing when someone else drives Peaches.
Right.
So it's I don't know.
No, you hit the nail on the head there, because I never see, you know, the outside of it.
Yeah.
And it's just so cool seeing it go down the road.
Yeah.
You know, you feel kind of cool driving it, and it's loud and stuff, but just to see it just fly by you, looking all awesome like you did. I know you're just getting up to the speed limit really fast. Yeah, but that's all. Yeah.
That's what I was doing.
Yeah. Wink.
In Mexico.
Oh yeah. All that footage was in Mexico. It was a fun trip through Mexico. We had to fill up it several times, but yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Jen. And if you ever do need a 6-speed Foxbody, you can borrow Tar Heel anytime.
Yeah, it's a long ride to the steering wheel, but it's totally
And on that note, we are out of here, because that's the best line of the night. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time and you want to see more Foxbody content, you got to subscribe, because look, Foxbody. Yeah, I guess it's still a Foxbody.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's a chassis.
That's right. It's a Foxbody. That's all that matters. So Foxbody's everywhere here. Fox Mustang Restoration, and we're always having a good time. Stay for the bloopers. Please subscribe. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Guys, he's gonna shoot me. Look, check this out, man.
Better check your screen.
Hey, oh no, what'd you do? Hopefully I can slow-mo that. But
you want to wipe your screen?
all right, let's. What are you saying? My quality's not any good? You could be right. Okay, guys, since I hurt my back doing my heater core bypass, I was like, hey, let's talk to Jen, but she's here. Then we have Matt clean the windows.
I
Hold
would
on.
have rather done the heater core bypass.
Would you? Wait. Can you hold that 1 second, Jen? I got something for that. Oh, there you go. He cleaned my windows. Gotta pay the man when he cleans your windows. You know that.
That's $800.
Maybe I should have gave you $2. You got the best thing in the bag there. See, we support this on our channel. Where is it? Here you go, guys. She got the Doritos.
Yeah.
She's all set. No matter what, you got Tar Heel Doritos. You're good.
Yeah.
I went and got Jen, and that was the main part of the video, the fun part of the video. But oh yeah, I got Matt right there too. Flippers.